I think I found the cutest little toy on Amazon, this bubble machine. What I love about it right off the bat is that the kit comes with everything, like down to a screwdriver to undo the little screw right there. It comes with that. Plus it comes with rechargeable, USB rechargeable batteries. Shows you how to easily put it in. Comes with the next one. Plus it comes with the bubble solution and a funnel. You get 4 of these bubble solutions. So let's see how easy it is to load it in. There's just a little place right here under the little guy. There's the funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and funnel it in there. So squeeze it all in, bubble fun, and then wait till you see how cute this is. My kids are gonna love this dinosaur. Okay, so all empty, but don't worry, I have 3 more of those. Okay, that's on. And then you just open its little mouth, and within a couple seconds, bubbles are gonna start coming out. So let's see. Oh, and it lights up. Oh, look how cool that is. All right, he's digesting the bubbles. There he goes. That's so awesome. That is a lot of bubbles. All right, I'm gonna shut his mouth so that he can save his bubbles for when my girls are here.